Hey guys, thanks a lot for joining us here at Every Turn New Adventure. In this episode, we're going to be talking about our 2011 Ford F-150 Lariat. She has a 5.0 Coyote V8 engine, and we love to call her Cherry Bomb. Cherry Bomb is beautiful, both on the inside and on the outside. She gives great gas mileage, and she's an excellent tower. She also has great cargo space for all your stuff. So, aside from the occasional flat tire you may get on the side of the road, which AAA can change for you, we're going to talk about the common issues after 200,000 miles. First thing to look for if your engine isn't starting is this area here. You're going to be looking for a fuel pump fuse right here in this area that may be burnt out. If that's the case, you're going to switch that out for a 20 amp fuse down here, and there's a link in the description below to help you with this job. Another common issue with this model is a coolant leak that begins to happen right here as the plug and the clip begin to deteriorate. They start to get loose. So check your coolant levels. Luckily, there's a kit that they sell online through Pegasus that can help you with this problem, and the installation takes about an hour, so check the description below. Also, make sure you have the best spark plugs for your engine, as they tend to burn out fast. Make sure to check the air filter quality, and if you're having a hard time starting your engine after you get gas, check the fuel pump distributor that's opening and closing correctly. From time to time, check the bolts on the terminals that they're nice and tight and free of corrosion. Also, make sure that you have the best battery working for you. In this case, I choose Interstate as they tend to last long. Also, if you hear a grinding or clanking sound underneath your truck as you're trying to start it, chances are it's your starter. Luckily, it's a quick fix and you'll be able to be on the road once again, ready for your next adventure. Thank you so much for joining us on the most common issues after 200,000 miles for a 2011 Ford F-150 Lariat. We wish you all safe travels, Godspeed, and good journey on your adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.